Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. It is common to forget password for an old WordPress installation. Sometimes clients forget password for their WordPress. Usually you can use forgot password functionality to recover password. But what if you do not remember email address associated with WordPress, or you don't use that email address anymore, or WordPress installation is at localhost where you can't receive email? Then you need a way to reset WordPress password easily. If you forgot username and password for WordPress, you can create a new user with administrative privileges. This method requires you to have WordPress files access via FTP or web hosting control panel. If you are using cPanel based web hosting, you will need to open your file manager from cPanel or connect FTP to your site. So get the WordPress files access and download your active theme directory. You need file named as functions.php from your active theme files. Every WordPress theme has got functions.php file. This is my current theme with the name of experiments, and functions.php is the file. Open functions.php file in your code editor. We will type few lines of code here. That code will add another user in our database with administrative privileges. So we will create a function. You can choose any name for the function. WP create underscore admin add action init, and we will initialize this function here like this, and we will type the function here. Let's create a user, WebStylePress, and then password. Let's choose WebStylePress again, and then email, testing@webstylepress.com, and if not username underscore exists user and not email underscore exists email. So if this username and this email address do not exist in our database, then proceed. Create user is equal to WP underscore create underscore user, username, password, email. So user, password, email. User is equal to new WP user, and this will go here, and then same user is user set underscore role. administrator. So this is our function. We're going to create a user with username WebStylePress and password WebStylePress with this email, and if user name with WebStylePress and with email testing@webstylepress.com do not exist, then proceed and create this user, and then set its role to administrator. It will have administrator level privileges. So we have created our function. Let's try this function now. We will reload this page, or we can reload our site's main page and come back here. And if I will browse this table again, this is wp_users table in my database for my WordPress. So if I will click browse here, as you can see, another user has appeared here with the login name or username WebStylePress. So let's try this. Will it work? WebStylePress is username and password is also WebStylePress. And we have logged in successfully. So my files are not live. I am at localhost. So if your site is live, you'll have to upload this file functions.php to your site, and then you will log in by using this username and password that you selected here. So you can use this method to unlock WordPress by creating a new user. Once you are able to log in, make sure to go back and remove this code from functions.php file. Otherwise, it will try to create new user if it doesn't exist in database on every page load until you remove this code. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment it down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.